Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I am making breakfast and lunch special egg milk bread. Soft, fluffy and beautifully golden outside. This homemade bread is simple, delicious and perfect for breakfast, lunch or evening snacks. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1/4 cup warm milk, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon yeast. Mix well. Use warm milk, not hot, for activating yeast. And keep aside for 5 minutes until the yeast activates. Now add 1 and 1/4 cup flour, 1 egg, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Egg adds richness and beautiful color to bread. Milk bread becomes soft and fluffy because of yeast fermentation. Make a soft dough. Knead gently until smooth. Rub a little oil over the dough and keep aside for 40 minutes to rise. Do not rush the resting time. Now take small portion of dough and roll them gently. Use a stick or skewer to make patterns on top. Patterned breads look more attractive and bakery style. Homemade breads are popular for breakfast worldwide. Brush some egg over the dough. Fry the breads in medium heated oil until beautifully golden and brown on both sides. Fry on medium heat for even cooking. Eggs provide protein and energy. Milk adds calcium and nutrition. Homemade bread is fresher and preservative-free. Freshly prepared meals are more satisfying and hygienic. Your soft and fluffy egg milk bread is ready. Serve warm with tea, butter or your favorite curry. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more easy homemade recipes.